Guys, this is my second try of this Wonder Skin lip tint. So I was nervous in the first one. So now I'm going to try it maybe better. Okay, so I just had my lip liner. So let me do this. I have my mirror in front of me to make sure I'm doing it in the right area. Keep on watching and enjoy the process, everyone. Look at that. The art of beauty. This is like blue come out. Okay, that looks like for now. So now it's time for wiping it with a supposed to be damp cloth, but I don't have damp cloth. I have this wet napkin. So let's do this. And this is the instruction how to do it. I don't know now. It's like I'm eating a blueberry. Ah, see that? Oh shoot. Ah, it's so messy now. What the heck? This is the really complicated, guys, but I have to pay attention. So it said it remains the stain. So there you have it. And there is last. It still lasts for I don't know how many hours. Right now it's 1 o'clock, but I'm going out. So this is it. Looks like because this is not pick the color. This one. So the color of this is whimsical. So this is the looks like what comes in the back. So it means light, like light pink. So that's what I start. That's what I pick because I don't want to bright because I'm scared. So this is the looks, and I just gonna add a lip gloss on it, or whatever you have lip oil you can apply on the top of it. So I have here a lip injection. At the same time it's a lip gloss. Let's give shimmer. So let's say it's like for daily use, not so bright, not so intense. Okay, so that's all for now. This is my second test of this Wonder Skin lip mask or lip tint. Okay, so bye.